Buenas noches, mi familia. Today is Tuesday, April 16th, 2024. Hey Siri, how many days until May 5th?
It's 19 days until then.
19 days until we start hiking the Appalachian Trail. When I say we, I mean me, myself, and the Holy Ghost. Non-sponsored, but could be. Gosner's Foods. Orange cream milk. I'm down to about 7 milks and then I'm done. I'm spent. So, super exciting news. Next Adventure. They're a retail company based out of Portland, Oregon. Just sent me a big box of swagger. And so I'm going to be unboxing that. See what goods we got. They are a really cool company out of Portland that is sponsoring me on this hike with some gear to test and review. So I think this is the first of 2 packages. I'll double check on my gear list, but got some really exciting stuff. The reason I reached out to them, there's a really cool brand called Wilderness Technology out of Utah. I wanted to collaborate with them, so I'll be rocking some of their stuff, like the sleeping bag, packed cover, some gear from them. Let's find out. Okay, the first thing on the list is actually very embarrassing. It's definitely what I thought it was. I got one of the, what are they called? Frog Togs. However, I got the size medium, and I thought it was great until I saw it says Youth Boys. Maybe I'm gonna leave that package, see if I can switch it for a adult one. This is sexy though. This is the Wilderness Technology that I was talking about, a company out of Utah. This is their, let's see, switch over here. Wilderness Technology Chenier Pullover Men's. Oh man, this is gonna be nice. This is really sweet. Non-pilling sweater, fleece, brush lining, zippered chest pocket. Should we try it on right now? Why not? Is this appropriate? It feels nice. This feels real nice. So I am starting May 5th, which is into the summer. I don't think I'm going to need a lot of winter. Oh my gosh. That's freaking cozy. Sorry, you cannot see that well. Wilderness Technology. They actually did not have it, it's on their website, but it doesn't change color when you're looking at the 2 of them. There is a gray one and this fern colored one. Highly recommend the fern one, obviously. Little pocket. Perfect for the phone. Alright. So that's a win. Wilderness Technology. Should we just do a shirtless video? I should have just stayed in that. I don't have any other tops, so I'm going to put this back on. But we do have some pants, so should I? Nah. We'll try those on later. Alright. Son of a... I also... Oh, I put it on backwards. I also might be wearing this. It's a pullover that I found in the last couple years. It was in a box. I never wear it. I don't even know what brand it is. But it's like those sun hoodies. Everybody has sun hoodies because they keep you out of the shade. Keep you out of the sun, give you shade. Might roll with one of those. Okay, next we have Outdoor Research Geez, $119. That's incredible. These are going to be clutch rain pants. Super lightweight. Waterproof. Fully breathable. Fully seam taped. That's a win. Rain pants. Got it. What? Dog tennis ball? They just threw this stuff in here. I didn't even know this was coming. Katie, if you're watching this, I got you. I'm gonna bring those just for dogs that I meet along the way. Oh, I am really excited for the next things. We have the Lone Peak 8s from Altra, and we have the Speedcross 6 shoes from Salomon. What should we do first? Salomon's. So I have some Salomon, I can't remember what they're called, Ultra X4 Extreme 4 Plus 75 3s. That I'll be starting the trail with. Apparently, most shoes last about 500. Oh my gosh, these are sexy. Shoes usually last like 500 to 700 miles, apparently. There's this really cool, the Trek.co. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Not Trek Bikes, you silly goose. Trek.co. So they have Appalachian Trail surveys each year. What is it? Oh, it's The Trek. Yes, thetrek.co. They have blah, 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 blah. Surveys each year. AT through hiker survey. There we go. So it talks about everything, like most common gear, top footwear, top tents and shelters, top sleeping bags, everything. And I think the average, let's go to footwear. So I picked some of these shoes based on top footwear. The Ultras were the favorite, Salomon's were second, Hoka's third. I don't want to sign up for. So, oh dang, that's not the one I wanted. Basically, there's like, people went through, there's a couple people, only one person I think, there's like 400, 500 people, I don't know, that did the survey, or average each year. One person said they went through one pair of shoes, the rest went through like, I don't know, average was maybe like 4 to 6, something in there. Back to these. These are super cool. These are, I think these are their trail runners, no? No, they're definitely hiking boots. They got like a hard bottom. These are so clean. And they got the straps like this. I'm excited for these. Dude, these are, I might just want to wear these the whole time. Those are so sexy. Okay, way excited for those. Those are crazy light too. Next, the Ultras. Usually not a huge big brand guy, but these are kind of exciting. They're also very sexy. Alright, Ultra Lone Peak 8s. This might have been, does it say? The top shoe. I think I already went over that. The Ultras are the top shoe on the trail. La la la. Oh, that's 2019. We don't want to know that, dude. Son of a... We'll do that later. So, yeah. Also, hard bottoms apparently have a bigger foot box. Ethan, feel free to comment below for all the details and specs on this. He's my gear man, my guru. These look exciting. A lot harder bottoms than I thought. Pretty much the same heaviness as the Salomons. These might be the go-tos. It's going to be fun between those 3 pairs of shoes. 2 Salomons, 1 Ultras. Find out which one I like the most. Here's the gear list of everything. Oh, dude! Why am I most excited for stickers? I'm going to post this stuff on an Instagram post, or maybe I can do a YouTube post. The repair patch. Oh, this is super cool. At Next Adventure, hashtag My Next Adventure. That's really cool. I'll do a bunch more videos about them. Super cool company, like I said. Way excited, way responsive. Dude, they sent a bunch of fun gear. Next Adventure. Let's go. I gotta bring that. That's amazing. Okay. Crazy stoked on this. So this is the BioLite Fast USB-C PD Charge 80. Yeah. It's a battery pack that is going to, I think, do up to 5 charges. 20,000 mAh. I don't know all these specs. Weighs 465 grams, 16.4 ounces. Charge times 5 hours by 18 watt USB-C. Oh, here we go. Device charges. 1 time for a 13-inch laptop, 2 times for a tablet, 5 times for a smartphone. That's mostly what I'm going to be using it for. Also charges the headlamp. I need to get that headlamp actually, rather than disposable batteries. Super stoked. I gotta stop saying that. Okay. Oh, you know what? They put in a LED keychain with a light. It's Next Adventure branded. That is super cool. I'm bringing that on the trail. Heck to the yes. Oh, so this was a little bonus thing. Next Generation Backcountry Mills Chicken Alfredo Pasta. Feeds 2, aka one through hiker. No, it says feeds 2 tired, hungry explorers. Made in Montana. Yeah, really cool. By Ride On Trek, that's the company. Ride On Trek. So I just want to sample one of these. I'll take that probably at the start of the trip. Cooks fresh in 10 minutes. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, last couple of things. I think there's some more stuff coming in the next package. But last couple of things, I'm really excited about these. I love these. Darn Tough out of Vermont makes a sock that has a lifetime warranty on it. Everybody raves about these, so I'm very excited. I got the mountain looking ones. Are you kidding me? So there's like midweight, lightweight, heavyweight, all sorts of different kinds of socks that they sell. Go into a store, I'm pretty sure they just replace it no matter what, no questions if it goes bad. And then lastly, we have the waterproof pack cover, also made by Wilderness Technology. This will be a nice bonus if I decide to use it. I was just going to use a garbage bag because I'm cheap, but Next Adventure's like, yo, we'll hook you up with this stuff. So super excited with them. Yeah, I think the only other things that I'm missing, unless I put them somewhere else, are the other pair of socks. So wait on those. That's it. Oh, they were out of that. It says refunded for that part. So I might need to send in that jacket to get a legit one. Super excited for all of this. I just have a couple last things that I need to add to my gear list, and then I'll update you with a full packing list, all the weights, stuff like that. Peace.